Imagine immersing yourself in a whirlwind of color, music, dance, and tradition. This is the magic of global festivals. As we embark on a journey exploring 10 of the most captivating cultural celebrations around the globe, we'll dive into the heart of unique traditions, joyous atmospheres, and vibrant festivities. From the electrifying energy of Rio's carnival to the cherry blossom spectacle in Japan, each festival offers a unique glimpse into the customs, beliefs, and heritage of its people. So buckle up and get ready for a vibrant voyage around the world. Our first stop is the electrifying carnival in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The city throbs with the infectious samba rhythms, and the streets overflow with vibrant parades. Extravagant floats, flamboyant costumes, and an uncontainable energy make this festival a true spectacle. Carnival is not just a party, it's a testament to the resilience and joy of the Brazilian spirit. A cultural phenomenon, it brings together people from all walks of life in a jubilant celebration. From the rhythmic samba beats to the flamboyant costumes, Carnival is a spectacle of pure joy and celebration. Next, we journey to the tranquil mountains of Japan for the mesmerizing spectacle of cherry blossom season. As winter melts away, a sea of pink and white engulfs the landscape, signaling the arrival of Hanami, a cherished tradition of flower viewing. Friends and families gather under the blooming canopies for picnics, music, and laughter. This annual celebration is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's an intimate dance with nature and a profound reflection on life's ephemerality. The fleeting beauty of the cherry blossoms is a reminder of the transient nature of life, a theme deeply embedded in Japanese culture. From the serene landscapes of Japan, we plunge into the colorful chaos of India's Holi festival. Known as the Festival of Colors, Holi is a jubilant celebration of spring's arrival. It's a time when social norms are suspended in favor of fun, as people drench each other in vibrant hues, share sweets, and dance to the rhythm of traditional music. This jubilant festival embodies the spiritual message of unity and renewal, transcending barriers of age, caste, and creed. Holi is not just a festival, it's an explosion of color, love, and joy that unites people from all walks of life. Our next stop takes us to Mexico, where we experience the mystical allure of the Day of the Dead. Dia de los Muertos is a time for families to celebrate their loved ones who have passed on. The scent of marigolds fills the air, guiding spirits back home, while sugar skulls and favorite foods are offered at vibrant, candlelit altars. This is far from a mournful occasion. It's a resonating celebration of life and the afterlife. Dia de los Muertos is a beautiful fusion of joy and remembrance, a celebration that truly honors the cycle of life and death. From the electrifying energy of Carnival to the mystical allure of Dia de los Muertos, each festival is a unique tapestry of culture and tradition. We've danced to the rhythmic beats of samba in the heart of Rio and strolled under the ethereal canopy of cherry blossoms in serene Japanese landscapes. We've reveled in the riotous color chaos of Holi in India and paid homage to the dearly departed during Mexico's enchanting Day of the Dead. Each celebration, a vibrant spectacle of humanity's rich cultural diversity, has left us in awe. And yet, our journey is far from over. There are still more festivals to discover, each with its own unique blend of music, dance, food, and folklore. From the awe-inspiring Lantern Festival in Thailand to the stirring sounds of bagpipes in the Highlands of Scotland, our adventure continues. Stay tuned as our journey continues, exploring more vibrant and captivating cultural celebrations around the world.